Guys, welcome to another video of working on my PKE meter from Spirit. I actually done a couple of things last time and that was on this, but actually I got something else here that you might enjoy right here. And if you guys want a link right here, I'll leave a link down below on where to get it. It's only costs 25 bucks. And they're all 3D printed, which I cannot wait to get me a 3D printer so I don't have to worry about doing this stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this, and hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, guys, I had to angle the camera just perfect right now so you guys can actually see a nice good view of it. Now, last time I did this right here, I actually got my little knife right there, and I made some notches, and it's supposed to look like that. But I did not like it because some of it's too deep, some of it's not deep enough. So this right here I'm going to set aside, and I happen to got this right here. Now this is 3D print. You can actually tell right from right here and looking right there. So looking just like that. So basically, once I put this through here like this and move up like that, it's going to look like that. Now, a little while back, I did happen to got the little buttons off, but I actually had a little trouble with that. I'm going to grab these real quick. It kind of broke on me a little bit, but it's all good because they're easy to fix, and it just takes a little bit of glue, a little bit of sanding, so those are still workable. But set this aside. Now this is the back right here. Now you remember that there was this right here to hold the clip in. Well, guess what? That's not there no more because this is right here, looking just like that. Now this is just holding in place this by black electrical tape, just temporarily until I be able to go out and get some putty. So you can actually take a look at this right here. It will hide all that seam right here. I have to fill this in right here, glue this into place, fill this in, and it will be all ready to go, ready for more sanding and more painting. So once this is all done, this is going to look really excellent. I cannot wait. So I cannot even talk right. Even this right here looks 10 times better. I cannot wait for this right here to get finished. So basically, I'm going to show you guys the difference up close, looking just like that. Now, they are exactly the same, but they don't have exactly that little this right here. So this is more detailed. So this is going in the garbage. Now, probably the next one will probably be the ghost trap, but I've been looking to get the ghost trap that has the little foot pedal. I heard that one's a lot more nicer, and that one I actually have. I might end up going ahead and just redoing it to make it look more like the game version. That way I'll set up, I can display it looking real nice. I can't wait for you guys to see that. Now, I want to straighten up my little work area right here because in a couple of days I'm going to be having some parts delivered for the DeLorean, and finally this whole body structure is going to be finished finally. I cannot wait. So, hope you guys will enjoy that. And I'm going to show you guys how I actually got the buffer out and get it all sanded. I'm going to show you some different pictures of like what like the DeLorean has, and it has like this messed up paint job on it. You guys will see once it comes. But hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and smash the like button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.